Hello. So today I'm gonna discuss with you how to fix rolling updates, and this is about fleets. So we have we have actually uh, previously fixed one with shutdown count. Let me show you. So there was um, apply rolling update function. And when we apply it, we have very fast pace from full fleet to zero, and this is not great. Yeah, here we have for create deployment or an update deployment strategies, and we want to fix this one. And for fixing this, I want to compare it with a deployment in Kubernetes, how they do this. And there is a function, not daemon sets, but deployments. And we have a number of functions which calculates max unavailable and other parameters of rolling update. And let me go to the original ticket. Well, we have a bug, and there is an steps to reproduce it. So if I'm creating a new fleet YAML, um, I'll put it examples. So, okay. And then if, let's see what we have in our cluster. We have a number of fleets. Some of them are simply the P. So let's delete all fleets. And then no resources. Okay, it's fine. Let's create new fleet. Copy. For checking this, always using get.js. Yeah, let's start with this one. So yeah, I will update it. Go to Cloud Code. I want to show you this. We have, for example, if we have Agones allocator is a deployment, and it also has a rolling update strategy. For example, I want to change one of its parameters. I will go and I'll set stick driver exporter into false, apply it, and then let's see how the process goes. There was some error when applying patch. Let's do this one more time. Don't save. Okay, I want to edit. This is an analogy of for Coffee edit command. I want to set this variable, environment variable, to false. I want to apply this configuration and see how it goes. Yeah, now we have 4 replicas. And 2 up-to-date replicas. First 1, then 2, and then 3. Yeah, now they all are fine. We have 6 Agones allocators. They are terminating in a terminating state. So we have customer source definition here, which is in a default namespace. We have fleet. We can edit it also in ADE. So I want to set ready to false. Yeah, I'm applying this configuration. I want to apply. Yeah, do you want? Yes, and then let's go to game servers. As you can see, all of them are scheduled. If we go to fleets, I'm using K9S, which is command line tool, also pretty useful. So we have 0 ready, current is 20, allocated is 0. This is not what rolling update is supposed to do, and so there was proposed a fix in order to apply it. So you can see I changed it ready into false. So let's show game servers. Sorry, game servers again. All of them are scheduled. Let's quit. Okay. Now what we have? Is there some build succeeded? No, we don't have succeeded build. That's why what I can do, I have in GC IO Agones Alexander the image, so I don't want to build it a new one. So let's go into these numbers. Sorry, not we need controller. Yeah, here it is. By the way, this is a public repo, so anyone can use it. I just want to copy this commit ID and then use Helm. Well, we have makefile. We have image registry. This should install the right version. So I will do make an install probably first, because I was playing around with different um, roles, cluster roles. Helm install. Well, let's do Helm list. Let's do shell. Yeah, I was using uh, install YAML. Hopefully this should works. This should work. And then do make install again. Now we don't have fleets games. We have game server for some reason. So something goes wrong with delete. Wallet ownership metadata label. So I was playing around with this. Something. This was a scratch, not complete version. So what we can do? This is new one. I will just make a screen. So what we have now, make shell helm list. Here what we have a bunch of game servers. We need delete fleet, delete all game servers. We have customer sort definition of game servers, so I want to delete these. So I want to remove analyzer. So playing with fresh cluster would be probably easier. So I want to patch my key patch game servers agones.dev. So I have this one, my dogs. So now it's completely gone. We don't we we have some pods. Now they should be completely deleted. And finally we can install prop. Well, we don't, so we don't have a weighted version. Git log Well, it was changed. Here, previous version. What was changed? This is not related. Yeah, I hadn't pushed these, I think. Let me open the test file. We have line number 1200. Well, we don't. Yeah, 597. So we have feature player tracking. Yeah, we don't need it here. Sorry for this. And we open changed files here. Well, push this. For make install command, I will also use the version and what was the version would be 1.7.0 and then minus, sorry, these numbers. Yeah, it was added in the right place. So let's wait a moment. So we have scaled down all the replicas. This is what was looking at when I've created an update. And what I see now is in this exact change which I pushed. Um, we have subtle changes of some corner cases with mean available and max unavailable. So for both for scale down and for new game server set to scale up. Well, we have deployed Agones, and now let me check. We have no game servers. We want to create them. The same way we do before. Now we would have the fleet. We can use smooth here also. I want to open KNS. What about the fleet? We have no fleet for some reason. Well, now we have created it. I want to create another one, which is fleet 2. Now we should have 20 game servers. Now when I have edit, okay, let's do it a bit differently. Fleet 2 YAML. We have, I just want to ask for ready. So this flag made all of them scheduled, and we can change them one by one into ready. That was my idea, initial one. I want to apply it one more time. This one, as you can see, we have 5 more created and stop. So now why this happens? Because some of game servers are in a scheduled state. So do it one more time. Here we should have 15. Okay, let's understood the problem. Initial S should be ready is true. That's what. we want to I want to show you. Okay, this explains everything. Minus minus all. And then let me clear this up. I want to apply it one more time. Now we should have 20 ready game servers. I hope new streams would be better organized, but this is my first one. First one public. So it is unchanged. Now we want to set it into false. And now I want to show you what happens. Now we should have 15 and stop. So max available is 5 in our case. So we have compared to what's stated here, replicas count is 20, so we can scale down only -5. Scale down by 5. And what is here in game servers? We have lots of ready. We have 10 scheduled. And there should be lots of ready. It would be easier to show you here. So how many of them? 15, I suppose. Yeah, that's right. Now we can connect and set them into ready one by one. Mean scheduled one. Yeah, and now we should have one more ready. So I should go back into simple UDP definition. And we have ready flag. So we have ready on start, which is false. Okay, got it. What was wrong? We have ready all uppercase. So sorry for this, because this is live presentation. I think now it should go. I think we should have some default which is like not supported. here, like default option. Let me just mark it here. What we have now regarding count, now we have 15. Do we have this one ready? Yeah, now it's ready. And total we have 24. No. Why? Prob Now we have already 15, and one of these game servers. Let I open bigger terminal. So we have one more, which is from the new. As you can see, this is game server set name. We have one which is ready. So and one was deleted. I suppose that now we have, yeah, now we have 25 because one was added to the active game server set, which has 11 and only one ready. So if I go back here and pick up one more, you can see this is a slow simulation of rolling update using this simple UDP game server. Let's pick up one more. Okay. Ты можешь объяснить? Там поговорить. Okay, so I was trying to update the stream. Can you hear me? What if I mute it? No. Now you can hear me. Um, well, now we should have more game servers in active game server set. And now we can see the actual changes to the code. We have this feature rolling update. Run this test. Well, it is pretty slow for some reason. I will run it manually. So yeah, as you can see, we have fixed original issue, and we don't have very fast moving to zero ready replicas, because now we have only maximum five unavailable replicas. And now I am gonna do. So I want to thank you all, and I gonna to have one more stream a bit later to discuss um, uh, how we can fix other options. And because for as you can see, the latest commit mm, has changed previous. We have some interesting changes from 8 to 9, for example, here. So what I would do in the meantime, I would run end-to-end tests on build folder. I will run go tests. Uh, for these. And in the next stream, I will try to explain what should be done in order to fix. And we have supported this change as feature, it's new feature flag. So we need to set this feature flag everywhere uh, in order not to touch previous functionality. So the test this kind of change 8 to 5 to 9 is should be only if we apply a new feature flag. So I hope that the stream was not so boring, and hope to provide better streams in the future. And as you can see, we have some changes in rolling update active, for example. We not covered with the new feature flag. So I gonna compare Kubernetes version of rolling updates in our version and try to hold the same functionality as Kubernetes provides. So trying to stick to it and apply this to fleets also. By the way, um, I think that we some guys wanted to have rollout feature, and this feature would show the status, and we can undo rolling update for the fleets, for example, in the future. So this would be a great feature, I think, if we can, for example, like in this version, we have a fleet which doesn't, um, which is not healthy. All game servers was scheduled and waits for command ready to be sent. Or, for example, we use wrong image and uh, all replicas are unhealthy, and we want to simply say rollout undo if we decide not to do rolling update. So this would be really a great feature, I think. So hope to see you next time. See you later. Bye.